Collaboration on Instagram not showing fixed. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can fix the collaboration option on Instagram not showing up. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to fix if the collaboration option is actually not showing, what you have to do is first of all go ahead and open up Instagram. Now I'll show you what the issue is. If you go ahead and tap on the plus icon from the bottom, if you go about creating a simple post and then you go to the tag people section, you'd normally be able to find the invite collaborator option so that you can invite some collaborators and people into this post. But what if you do not find this option? Well, there are a couple of reasons why this happens. The very first thing, of course, is that you want to make sure you don't have a private account. So tap on the three lines from the top right, tap on settings and privacy. Over here, what you want to go do is go to account privacy and then make sure that private account is turned off. Now even if you do have a public account, it is because it is still a personal account, right? So just try to switch to a professional account or a business account. So in that case, what you can do is you can just try to go to creator tools and everything and so on. When you go there, you should be able to switch to a professional or a business account and then see if that solves your problem. Now if you are already on a professional account and then you don't still see this option, then in that case switch to personal account, refresh the Instagram app, again switch back to professional account, and then again refresh the Instagram application, and you should most likely find it. If not, then you can try to create other accounts and then see if in that account you get this feature or not. Last but not the least, you also want to make sure to simply update the Instagram app. So when you update the Instagram app to the latest version, it will most likely give you all of the options that the Instagram app has. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.